Welcome back, parents and future moms and dads. In today's video, we're diving into 40 of the most trendy and innovative Amazon gadgets every parent with a newborn needs in 2025. From genius kitchen helpers and smart nursery tech, to travel must-haves and time-saving household tools, you're about to discover products that make those early parenting days way easier. Whether you're dealing with midnight feeds or diaper disasters, there's a gadget here that'll make you say, "Why didn't I have this sooner?" So stick around, because the last one might just blow your mind. 1. Inkless Baby Print Kit 4-pack. Want a keepsake of those tiny hands and feet without the mess? This Inkless Baby Print Kit lets you capture perfect prints with zero ink contact. No stains, no residue, just beautiful impressions for memory books or gifts. The lab-tested ink and high-quality film ensure stunning detail every time. It's sized just right for newborns or even your furry friend's paw prints. With 12 premium art cards included, you can stamp to your heart's content. A priceless way to freeze those fleeting newborn moments in time. 2. Smart Formula Maker Pro. Tired of late-night formula prep struggles? Meet the Smart Formula Maker Pro, the ultimate parenting hack. Just press a button on your phone and boom, a warm bottle's ready in seconds when you hit the kitchen. No scooping, no mess, no drama. Customize bottle size, temperature, and even save up to 5 presets using the app or LCD panel. It works with all major formula brands and bottle types. Plus, it's fast, super hygienic, and notifies you when water or formula is low. Formula feeding has never been this easy. 3. Owlet DreamSock Heart Monitor. Want to sleep better knowing your baby is safe? The Owlet DreamSock Heart Monitor tracks your baby's pulse rate, oxygen levels, and sleep patterns in real time. It's the first FDA-cleared smart baby monitor of its kind. So yes, it's that trustworthy. If anything seems off, you'll get instant alerts through the app or base station lights and sounds. Designed for babies aged 1 to 18 months, it offers peace of mind with every nap and nighttime. Now you can relax, knowing Owlet's watching over your little one. 4. App-controlled nightlight projector. Transform any room into a galaxy wonderland with the Astronaut Nightlight Projector. This isn't just a cute light, it's a mood-setting, star-blasting experience. Choose your vibe with remote control. Adjust brightness, colors, and even strobe patterns. Set the timer and drift off to sleep under swirling nebula clouds and twinkling stars. With a 360-degree rotating head, you can aim the magic anywhere. It's the perfect touch for bedrooms, movie nights, or parties. A total hit for kids and adults. Yep, even TikTok can't stop talking about it. 5. Self-cleaning bottle system. Say goodbye to stinky bottles and hello to fresh sips every time. This self-cleaning bottle uses UVC LED tech to kill bacteria in just 60 seconds. No chemicals, no hassle. It even auto-cleans every 2 hours, keeping things super hygienic. Made from ultralight stainless steel, it's BPA-free and has no filters to replace. One charge lasts a whole month, and yes, it's splash-proof too. Whether you're heading to the gym or the park, this bottle is your germ-fighting sidekick. Clean hydration has never been this smart, or this easy. 6. Temperature Perfect Formula Dispenser. Meet the bottle-making genie you didn't know you needed. This temperature-perfect formula dispenser mixes formula and water to the perfect consistency. No bubbles, no fuss. Choose between 2 to 10 Oz, set your ideal temp, and let it do the rest. It's way more accurate and faster than manual scooping, and it works with almost every formula and bottle out there. Want remote control? Grab the Wi-Fi version and prep bottles from your phone. Say goodbye to measuring stress and hello to sleepy time feeding made simple. 7. Smart Breast Pump with App. This isn't your mama's breast pump. It's smarter, hotter, and totally hands-free. The Smart Breast Pump with App heats while it pumps, boosting output by up to 30% thanks to its genius heat flow tech. With hospital-grade suction and custom settings via app, you get max milk with minimum fuss. It's whisper quiet, leak-proof, and fits right in your bra. Perfect for on-the-go mamas. Plus, the wireless charging case gives you up to 5 days of power. Pump smarter, not harder, with this game-changing must-have for modern moms. 8. Anti-colic feeding sensor bottles. No more gas, colic, or mid-feed meltdowns. These anti-colic bottles are a dream for fussy babies. The air-free vent keeps air out and milk flowing, helping your little one feed upright and comfortably. That means less spit up, less crying, and more happy feeding time. They're super easy to clean, BPA-free, and only have a few parts, because parents don't have time for complicated. Whether you use the vent or not, it works like a charm. No wonder it's a 2024 Best Baby Bottle Award winner. Your baby and sanity will thank you. 9. Hands-free baby food maker. Homemade baby food just got so easy. This all-in-one hands-free baby food maker steams, blends, and purees with zero guesswork. Just add water and ingredients, press a few buttons, and boom! Fresh, healthy food ready in minutes. It's made with food-grade, BPA-free materials, and even cleans itself. Yep, it's self-cleaning. With an intuitive touchscreen, customizing texture and cook time is simple. Whether you're a first-time parent or just really busy, this gadget saves time, stress, and mess. Add it to your baby registry ASAP. 10. UV Sterilizer Bottle Pod. Sterilize everything from baby bottles to your phone in minutes. The UV Sterilizer Bottle Pod uses powerful UV light to kill 99.9% of germs on contact. No water, no chemicals. Just pop in your items, close the lid, and let the magic happen. It's perfect for bottles, pacifiers, keys, credit cards, and even beauty tools. There's even a drying cycle for bottles, so they're ready to use right away. Compact, sleek, and super convenient, this sterilizer is a must-have for every germ-conscious parent. Keep it clean, the high-tech way. 11. Snoo Smart Bassinet Rocker. Say goodbye to sleepless nights. The Snoo Smart Bassinet boosts your baby's sleep by 1-2 hours every night with gentle womb-like motion and soothing white noise. It auto-responds to cries, calming your baby instantly. Worried about unsafe rolling? Snoo keeps your little one safely on their back. Plus, it's app-connected for smart monitoring and comes with a 30-day risk-free trial. With 3 comfy swaddles included, it's not just a bassinet, it's a sleep-saving miracle every tired parent dreams of. 12. White noise machine with sleep analytics. Since 1962, this dome white noise machine has been the OG of sleep. Its fan-based natural sound masks everything from snoring partners to barking dogs. With 2-speed controls, it's perfect for offices, babies, and even anxious pups. Built in the USA and backed by a solid warranty, this plug-and-play machine brings peaceful nights and focused days. Available in sleek modern designs, it's not just functional, it's stylish. Get ready to say hello to your new favorite bedtime ritual. 13. Smart Swaddle with temperature control. This smart swaddle isn't just cozy, it's genius. With zip-off sleeves for smooth transitions, a color-changing strip that shows if baby's too hot or cold, and a 2-way zipper for diaper changes in seconds. This is the parent hack of dreams. Made from breathable, soft, moisture-wicking fabric, it's gentle on baby's skin and promotes healthy hip development. Say goodbye to guesswork and hello to peaceful, comfy nights with a swaddle that actually thinks for you. 14. Motion Sensing Baby Rocker. The Mamaroo Motion Sensing Rocker mimics the exact way you move. With 5 parent-inspired motions, customizable speeds, and 4 built-in melodies, it comforts fussy babies like a pro. The 4Moms app lets you find the perfect roo that matches your natural motion. Control it with Bluetooth, or even your voice with Alexa or Google Home. Hospitals love it, babies love it, and tired parents really love it. It's not a swing, it's an extra pair of hands when you need them most. 15. Ellie HD Baby Monitor Camera. Say hello to stress-free parenting with the Ellie HD Baby Monitor. This 5-piece IPS screen pairs with a 1080p camera for crisp visuals and clear audio. No Wi-Fi required. Built-in AI detects crying, tracks sleep, and alerts you if baby leaves their safe zone, all without subscription fees. With a 6,000 mAh battery and 1,000 feet range, you're always connected. Plus, 24/7 playback lets you relive sweet milestones anytime. Whether you're in the kitchen or catching some Z's, Ellie's got your back, loud and clear. 16. Breathable Smart Crib Mattress. A mattress you can breathe through? Yep. This Smart Crib mattress is made of 90% air and 10% recyclable material. No foam, glue, or latex. It's 100% washable from cover to core and supports your baby's natural posture. Designed for both infants and toddlers, this two-stage mattress grows with your little one. It's non-toxic, GreenGuard Gold certified, and created by real parents who get it. If safety, comfort, and easy cleaning top your list, this is your dream crib upgrade. 17. Smart Baby Gate with face recognition. This isn't your average baby gate, it's a smart gate with facial recognition. Expands from 29 to 49 inches wide and stands 30 inches tall, making it perfect for wide hallways and big doorways. Includes extensions, pressure mounts, and wall cups for secure installation. With face recognition tech, only approved family members can open it, keeping curious toddlers and pets exactly where they should be. Peace of mind meets high-tech safety, and your home just got smarter. 18. AI-powered cry translation device. What if your baby's cries could actually talk? This AI-powered cry translator from iFlytek does just that, analyzing sound, speed, and emotion to translate needs with 98% accuracy in just 0.5 seconds. With support for 60 online and 18 offline language pairs, it's ideal for global parents and even doubles as a travel translator with built-in mobile data. HIPAA compliant for privacy, photo translation for signs and menus, and a long battery life. This is the future of parenting in your pocket. 19. Smart Baby Proofing Detection Kit. This isn't just baby proofing, it's a parenting upgrade. The Allura AI kit tracks your baby's movement, air quality, and emotional state, sending real-time alerts for anything unsafe, like falls, shaking, or poor air. It even encourages developmental milestones like tummy time and talks. Linked with the Little One doc. Care app. It keeps you updated on your baby's well-being wherever you are. From pregnancy to parenthood, this all-in-one system grows with your child. Smart, safe, and stress-free parenting? Yes, please. 20. Wireless baby movement sensor. No wires, no stress, just smart, safe sleep. The SenseU Baby Monitor Pro clips onto your baby's diaper and tracks breathing, sleep position, and temperature in real time. If no abdominal movement is detected in 15 seconds, it vibrates gently to wake your baby, then sounds an alarm if needed. With app alerts for overheating and rollover, you're always in the loop. It's FSA HSA approved and emits ultra-low radiation. Peace of mind just became pocket-sized. 21. Oogie Bear Baby Nose Ear Cleaner. Say goodbye to stuffy noses and fussy babies. The Oogie Bear Cleaner features a soft rubber scoop and loop to gently remove boogers and earwax. No suction, no saline, no stress. Designed by a pharmacist mom, this 2-in-1 tool is safer than cotton swabs and fits perfectly in your diaper bag for on-the-go cleanups. Its patented bear head design keeps it baby safe, while helping your little one breathe and sleep easier. Trusted by parents and loved by pediatricians, an absolute must-have for happy, healthy babies. 22. Smart Baby Bath Thermometer. Bath time just got smarter and cuter with the Dollowish Frog Thermometer. Not just adorable, it ensures your baby's water is always the perfect temperature. Made with baby-safe smooth materials, it's gentle on skin and packed with smart features. It displays both DGF and DGC and flashes alerts if water is too hot or cold. Real-time readings mean no more guessing games. Safe, fun, and accurate. This little frog makes bath time worry-free and way more entertaining for your little splash master. 23. UVC Pacifier Sanitizer Pod. No sink, no problem. This UVC pacifier sanitizer pod gives your baby's pacifiers and bottle nipples a 99.99% clean in just 59 seconds. Small but mighty, it features a dual-use lid, simple one-button control, and 2 sanitizing modes. On a single USB charge, it runs up to 90 cycles, perfect for parents on the go. Clip it to your stroller or diaper bag for easy access anywhere. Compact, quick, and super reliable, it keeps pacifiers clean and babies safe wherever life takes you. 24. Smart Baby Bathtub with Temperature Display. Make bath time the safest splash zone with this Smart Baby Bathtub. It's foldable, portable, and space-saving, ideal for travel or tight homes. Real-time temperature monitoring ensures water is never too hot or cold, while the crocodile design keeps things fun. Built from premium, odorless materials, it's ultra-durable and baby-safe. A detachable floating cushion supports your baby's head and neck for maximum comfort. Bonus: The stable four-corner base means zero tipping drama. It's the smartest tub your little one will ever soak in. 25. Frida Baby Medicine Dispenser Pacifier. Giving medicine just got easier. The Frida Baby Pacifier style medicine dispenser gently delivers liquids to the side of your baby's cheek. No mess, no spit-ups. Its clever design bypasses taste buds for fuss-free dosing of meds, gripe water, or vitamins. The included syringe ensures accurate measurement, and you can even use your own. Plus, its comfy pacifier shape soothes your baby during the process and doubles as a real pacifier. Simple, stress-free, and hospital-trusted. A true game-changer for parents. 26. UV Baby Clothes Sanitizer Box. Sanitize your baby's world in just minutes with this UV Baby Clothes Sanitizer Box. Using powerful UVC light and ozone, it kills germs on clothes, bottles, toys, even phones. Its 12L capacity fits up to 12 bottles, and a 3-speed timer gives you control. Portable, foldable, and perfect for travel, it even includes a viewing window so you can monitor safely. Whether you're at home or on the move, it's your go-to solution for a germ-free zone. Just pack, zap, and relax. 27. Electric Baby Nail Trimmer. Clip those tiny nails without fear. This electric baby nail trimmer is whisper quiet and includes a soft LED light, so you can trim while baby naps. With cushioned sandpapers for babies and extras for adults, it's a whole family grooming tool. Adjustable speed, clockwise reverse settings, and a touch and stop safety feature ensure a smooth, nick-free experience. It even comes in a labeled organizing case for easy access. Battery operated and travel friendly, it's the safest, easiest way to keep baby's nails trim and tidy. 28. Smart Humidifier with Air Quality Monitor. Meet your air's best friend, the Smart Humidifier with Air Quality Monitor by Airthings. It tracks everything: radon, CO2, VOCs, PM 2.5, humidity, and more, right from your phone. Real-time alerts and insights help you breathe better and safer, while the sleek battery-powered design fits anywhere. With 15+ years of trust and a 5-year warranty, it's the gold standard in air health. Whether you're managing allergies, preventing mold, or just want cleaner air for your baby, this smart device has your back. 29. Collapsible Smart Stroller with GPS. This isn't just a stroller, it's your parenting power move. Lightweight, just 18.2 bubs, easy to fold, and GPS-enabled for tracking, this collapsible smart stroller is made for modern families. Whether baby's sitting, sipping, or snoozing, adjustable recline angles adapt to every mood. Crafted from durable aluminum and breathable fabric, it's as stylish as it is practical. Compact for travel, sturdy for adventure, and smart enough to keep up with your life. It's time to roll in ultimate convenience. 30. Smart Baby Rocker with Cry Detection. Say hello to the baby whisperer of tech. This smart baby rocker with cry detection is a lifesaver. It automatically senses your baby's cries and gently rocks them back to calm mode. With multiple motion settings, built-in white noise, and Bluetooth control via app, it's like having a nanny built in. Sleek, compact, and super cozy, it soothes your baby while you sip your much-needed coffee. Bonus, it's portable and easy to store. Less crying, more chilling, it's peace of mind with a plug. Thanks so much for watching. If you found something useful or just cool, don't forget to like, subscribe, and drop a comment below. And hey, check out our other gadget videos for even more smart finds.